Hey guys, let's x-ray some stuff. Today we're gonna start out with a banana. Alright, let's check out what we got going on here. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna lower it down. About there. Alright, now we're ready to shoot. Fire in the hole. Alright, let's check it out. Here we have the coconut. We're gonna zoom in a little bit so we can see it better. It's a little bit better here. That's not so bad. Or coconut juice. Or coconut water. We have the outer shell of the coconut, some coconut meat. Oh yeah. And here you can see the sponge too. Alright, so now we have a hot Cheetos bag. We're gonna shake it out so all the Cheetos are laying flat. Fire in the hole. Let's check it out. Look at that, bag of Cheetos. Bag of Cheetos. We're gonna switch it out for a bag of Doritos. Let's go shoot this thing. Here we have the hot Cheetos. Let's see what a bag of Doritos look like. Fire in the hole. A little bit of a rip-off, but you know, some Doritos. There we go. What's that, about 57% air and 43% chips. Now we're going to be shooting this GoPro and let's see what happens. That's the GoPro. Sick. Right, now we're shooting a camera lens and let's see how that looks. Fire in the hole. That looks amazing. What is going on here? Let's zoom it in. Wow. That's pretty cool. I didn't think it was going to turn out that awesome. Alright, now we have it all zoomed all the way out. And let's take a look at it. Fire in the hole. Alright. What we got going on here? That's pretty awesome. Let's compare. This is the camera lens all the way zoomed out. And this is it zoomed in. Pretty interesting. So now we have this glass photography wall. Alright, let's go shoot this thing. Fire in the hole. Wow. That is just fantastic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna up it up and see if we can penetrate through that glass ball. Second try. Fire in the hole. Wow, look at that. It looks exactly the same. So the glass ball was kind of uneventful. So here we have Tide Pods. And we have it in the wall bucky again. And let's shoot it. Let's blast this thing. Fire in the hole. Alright, you see all the individual Tide Pods here. It's pretty awesome. Whoopsies. Alright, let's shoot something else. So now we have a water container. Has some ice and some coffee in it. Let's go shoot it and see what it looks like. Let's blast this thing. See the coffee here, some ice cubes. It's pretty awesome. And for the last one, we're gonna x-ray the camera just to see what happens. Pretty interesting. You see all these little components and stuff. I'm not a camera guy like that, and I can't tell you what's what, but it's a camera. Hey, thanks for watching, and have a great day.